everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Auswide Bank online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in auswidebank.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page of Auswide Bank, click on the login drop down at the top right. Select whether you would like to log into internet banking or to your credit cards. In today's video, we're going to log into the internet banking, so let's pick the first option. It'll now directly take you to the login area. If you don't have an internet banking access yet, you can click on the register now button on the right hand side and follow the instructions till the end. If you already have an account, enter your client number in the first text box, enter your access code on the next, and then if you've forgotten your access code, you can get help by clicking on the access code link right next to forgot your. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to reset to a new code. Finally, after filling in the details, click the login button and you'll be able to log into your Auswide internet banking account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.